It takes most people less than 2 minutes to put a glide cycle together. Here we'll lay the seat out on the ground and then start with the front end. As you learned in your assembly videos, place the front middle tube into the front end. Using the brass locking buttons, slip the tube over and be careful not to catch your finger skin in the pieces as they slide together. Then assemble the rear middle tube into the lower end. Grab the top tube and slide it on to the rear tube, again working with the buttons. This next part could be done on the ground if necessary, but I like just holding the parts up in the air and putting them together. Having the front brake on really helps to stabilize the unit. Now connect the rear long brake cables with the brake quick connect tubes. After that, you're ready to apply the seat. Hold the bike up on your shoulder, attach the rear strap lower first, and then move to the front of the bike. Remember to have your parking brake on the front wheel. Attach your top front strap, your lower front strap, and then your safety strap. And I like to put a little piece of rubber band or cut inner tube around the top safety strap to keep it quiet when I run. That's all there is to it. Hop onto your glide cycle, adjust your straps for running, take off the parking brake, pull yourself up, and off you go. That's all there is to it. Taking a glide cycle apart is most often faster than putting one together. Here we pull up to the car and use a fast dismount technique that you'll get used to as well. Simply lean it over and step over safely, and you're out of the glide cycle. Remember to put your parking brake on the front. Disconnect your seats. Sometimes you have to loosen the buckle, sometimes not, depending on how tight you had it. Pull the rubber off of the safety strap and drop the seat to the ground. Disconnect your brake cable to the rear and then to the front. And as you see, you can hold the glide cycle up freestanding the whole time. It's also, again, easier if you can lean it against the wall if you'd like. Pull your parts top tube from the rear. Disassemble the tubes as necessary. If you've got a truck, it doesn't need to be quite so disassembled. It fits into the back seat of your car or into the back part of a hatchback very easily. It also could go into the carry bag at this point. Then it's simply a matter of putting the parts into the car. In less than a minute, you can usually put a glide cycle away. Thank you very much.